That's a chem abbreviation, RedOx. It means reduction, oxidation.
This is an introduction to reduction, oxidation reactions.
It happens when electrons are lost and gained.
When iron is exposed to oxygen in the air, electrons are transferred from the iron atoms to the oxygen atoms. This happens whether you're building a bridge or parking your car too close to the salty water. One day you have it, and then the next day it turns into a pile of rust. The iron atoms have valence electrons that are transferred to the oxygen atoms. Now, when this happens, the iron becomes a positive ion, and the oxygen becomes the negative oxide ion. And what we have is rust. We often think of this as two separate chemical reactions. The iron losing electrons and becoming positively charged, and the oxygen gaining electrons and becoming negatively charged. The loss of electrons we call oxidation. The gain of electrons by the oxygen results in a change in the oxidation state from 0 to -2, or a reduction in the oxidation state. The gain of electrons we call reduction. The loss of electrons and gain of electrons, however, cannot really be separated. They must always occur together. The electrons have to have somewhere to go. We simply find it easier to think about it as the oxidation reaction and the reduction reaction. In this case, making rust. Redox reactions occur all around us. You can find them wherever you find batteries. You can also find redox reactions, well, everywhere. Fire, anything that burns, the browning of fruit. Those are examples of reduction-oxidation reactions. So if somebody says to me, what is a redox reaction? How can I tell? If I'm looking at a reaction, what do I look for? Well, we write down oxidation numbers of every species in the reaction. And if those oxidation numbers change, like here we see the oxidation number of iron changing from 0 to 3+, and the oxidation state of oxygen changing from 0 to -2. The oxidation numbers change. If the oxidation numbers change, it's a redox reaction. So to think about how to tell the oxidation numbers of any species in a reaction, watch the second half of this video.